Hello, welcome to Andrew's Tabletop Gaming. My name's Andrew, and I may have lied in my last video. I said we would have no more Flesh and Blood Monarch First Edition, but we have. Look at the beautiful symbol on there. But there's a slight difference. Oh, focus. There we go. This box isn't mine. It is a fellow Flesh and Blood player. It is a friend, a local player, has bought this box from our game store and is allowing me to open it. His name's Lee. He has seen my videos before. He understands that I pull absolutely nothing. We have had this conversation, but he's still happy for me to open it for him. So, thank you, Lee. I have another box as well. One moment. Another box. From another local player, another friend, another purchaser from our game store, who I will be doing a video for very shortly. So yeah, I am a very, very lucky boy. I get to open this, get the pleasure of opening these packs. We're going to open the whole box, and yeah, and I get none of the pressure. A little bit of pressure maybe to pull something nice, but it's not my box, so I don't get to keep any of the cards either, I guess. So let's get into it. We're going to break the seal. Lee, this is it. It's it's coming off. The seal is being broken. There we go. Sorry if you wanted to keep that whole. Yeah. So let's get this box open. Not going to worry about shuffling them up because we're going to open everything. So let's get it on. We have the first pack. Good luck, Lee, as I probably said about 30 seconds ago and then completely forgot. We'll stick that to one side. I will skip through the commons, or maybe go through some of these to start with. So, Bounding Demigong. We have Arcanic Crackle, Underworldly Bellow, Engulfing Light, Spears of Serality, and Bolt of Courage. We get 6 of the class specific. Oh, I got my mouse in the picture. Look at that, how unprofessional. Then we get the generic cards. That's a Shadow, a Light, generic action, generic action, generic action. Then we get the foil card. This is a red Graveling Growl, which is a Shadow Brute action. And then we get the armor, which is the Ironhide Plate. And then we get the rares. We have a Rise Above, Blue Rise Above, and a Yellow Glisten. And the token was a Cracked Bauble. So let's take the bauble there. Let's move this box slightly to one side. Let's move everything up. So, Graveling Growl was the foil card. 2 rares in the first pack. Did a little bit of looking online what we're actually looking for. So, Doomsday, Eclipse, 2 of the armor. Legendary, I believe, as well. So we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 class specific. and the 5. And then the foil is a Rifted Torment, which is a common. We get the Ebon Fold, sorry, let's put that there, which is the armor. And we get a Consuming Aftermath, which is a red rare, and a blue Pulping, which is a rare as well. Oh, and Soul Shackle, and Spectral Shield on the back. So, 4 rares so far, 2 common. So we have Arcanic Crackle, and then we get, goes there, then we get the 5 generics, and we get an Eclipse Existence Blue, which is the foil. See a little bit of foiling on there, which is a common. We get the Ironhide Legs, and the rares are yellow Unhallowed Rites and a yellow Merciful Retribution. And the token is the Hatchet of Mind and a Spectral Shield. Okay, next pack. So, if you watched mine, and you've watched any of mine, you will realise that I generally don't pull anything nice. So these guys have been extremely brave to give these to me. There's a Foil Express Lightning. Quite a cool foil card, that one. Lots of foiling. So go there. We have another Ebon Fold, another Pulping, but this one's a red one, and a Writhing Beast Hulk blue. And the token is Bolt-in and a Hatchet of Body to go with your Hatchet of Mind. Yeah, like I said, quite brave of them to put their trust in me after seeing, what, 6 box openings and me pull absolutely 0 out of them. Well, not absolutely 0, but nothing a legendary or fabled or anything like that. So we've 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the foiled is a Rip Through Reality. A little bit more subtle than this one. Try and pick some of that foiling up on the camera. That is a common. We have Gallantry Gold. And the rares are a blue Unhallowed Rites and a red of Phantasmify. And the token is Levia, 40 hit point version, and the Blitz version on the back. So looking on eBay, the legendaries are going for about between £1,000 and £1,500, which is good. You know, you pull one of those, you have more than made your money back. So yeah, good luck to both these guys. We have another Graveling Growl foil, which is the yellow version this time. We have the Aether Ironweave as the armor, which is the Runeblade equipment chest. Then we have Consuming Aftermath yellow, and our first Majestic. We get Deep Rooted Evil, which is yellow Deep Rooted Evil, which is a Shadow Brute action. If a card with 6 or more damage has been put into your Banished Zone this turn, you may play Deep Rooted Evil from your Banished Zone. So that's a 6 damage attack for 3. So I assume if it's coming from your banished zone, you don't have to pay for it? Or do you still have to pay for it? Because what's the point? Okay, so Majestic. Number 1, and Hatchet of Body and a Spectral Shield. Okay, next pack we have 6 common class cards. We get it. Nice, very cool. Wow, is that okay? This is a Majestic foil, but whether I'll be, oh yeah, I can just about pick that. This has got probably the least foiling I've seen on any of these cards. Sorry, that's blinding you. I can see it, but you couldn't. So it's got like 3 tiny bits through the center. Yeah, I'm not sure if I can actually get yeah, the camera's sort of picking that up there. But yeah, very cool. Nourishing Emptiness. So this is a foiled Majestic. This is generic action attack. While there are no attack action cards in your graveyard, Nourishing Emptiness has Dominate. And if this hits, your hero gains +1 life until end of turn. Okay, cool. So that's a 6 damage attack, which could have Dominate. So we'll stick that down there. Let's stick it to one side slightly. We get the Stubby Hammerers. And we get Prismatic Shield, red, as one of the legendaries. And we get another Majestic in the pack as well. Beacon of Victory. As an additional cost to play Beacon of Victory, banish X cards from your hero's soul. X can't be 0. Target attack gains +X damage. If you've charged this turn, search your deck for an action card with cost X or less. Reveal it, put it into your hand, then shuffle your deck. Well, that's one. That was pretty good pack. One of those ones that if you'd wandered into your local game store, pay £4 for, you'd be pretty happy. So what we got? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another Majestic, and this is a proper foil one. Look at the foiling on this bad boy. Mark of the Beast. If Mark of the Beast would be put into your graveyard from anywhere, instead banish it. 6 damage attack. Very cool. This is really, really nice. We get the Blood Drop Brocade. We get the rare, which is a blue Howl from Beyond. And we also get the rare blue Seeping Shadows. Chain and Mini Chain. So pretty good so far. 2 foiled Majestics out of this half of the box. We get 6. And then 5, and then we get Hungering Slaughterbeast red as the foil. Very nice as a common card. We get the Iron Hide Helm. We get a Writhing Beast Hulk, and which is a red, and an Outmuscle yellow, which is another rare, and another cracked bauble. So 4 Majestics so far. So we have Riftbind, Grappling Growl. Let's go through them. I just love the art on this. It's just nuts, bonkers good. Look at it. absolutely just makes me want to play the shadow characters. So there we go. And then we've got Seek Horizon, which is the foil, which is actually rare, which is quite nice. Again, the foiling. There's some sort of background foiling and then some little accents across the card, which look quite cool if you can get that light to hit them properly. Stick that down there. Blood Drop Brocade, a yellow Howl from Beyond, and a blue Phantasmify. Chain and Galaxy Black. Okay, see if we can get. So we still haven't hit the cold foil armor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another common, a yellow Spew Shadow for the foil. This one's got quite a lot of foiling. Let's take that there. Aether Ironweave. And we got a rare yellow Battlefield Blitz and a yellow Rise Above. And Prism and Iris of Reality. So just the one rare foiled so far, but you make up for that massively with the Majestics. Oh yeah, that's very cool. Yellow Blood Tribute foiled. Yeah, very, very nice. Even though it's a common, the artwork on that is just quality. Ironhide Gauntlet. A yellow Writhing Beast Hulk is one of the rares, and a yellow Unhallowed Rites is the other. Hatchet of the Mind. Spectral Shield. And on to the next pack. Let's have a quick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, another foiled Blood Tribute. This time the blue version. I might have to see if I can buy these off Lee. Ironhide Helm. And then the rares, yellow Dusk Path Pilgrimage. And we have another majestic Soul Food. Put Soul Food and all cards in your hand into your hero's soul. Whoa. That's pretty cool, isn't it? That sounds like something you want to do. And we get Ursa the Soul Reaper. Don't think I've seen this card yet. This is an ally, I'm assuming. Or is this the double side? Oh yeah, I have seen this. So we got Blasphemet the Soul Harvester on one side, and Ursa the Soul Reaper on the other side. Yeah, I did get one of those in my box. So next we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have a rare foiled Red Out Muscle. Very nice. We have the Halo of Illumination. A yellow Captain's Call. And a yellow Howl from Beyond. Molten and a Hatchet. So yeah, so it's another rare foil. So 2 rare foils, 2 majestic foils, 3 other majestics. So 6, 5, another rare foil, Unhallowed Rites. That looks really cool. Camera's picking it out pretty well. Yeah, that is awesome. Ironhide legs. We have a yellow merciful retribution and a yellow invigorating light. Soul shackle and spectral shield. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, don't know if I had that in mind. Talisman of Dowsing. It's a common. Gets go again. So it's just an item card. Gives you spell void 1. Okay. Cool. Oh, Lee. We have hit the jackpot. Right, one moment. Let's get a sleeve. Not gonna mess around with this. We have a legendary Eclipse. Okay. Let's stick that in there. I'll look at it in wonder as the Eclipse sends us into darkness. Lee, you've hit the jackpot. It's not a surprise that I actually pull something like this out of a box. That's not mine. We talked about it before, didn't we? Oh, you said don't get upset. Okay, I won't get upset. Okay. Right, so what we just delete this video. I reshoot it with another box. So Eclipse legendary. It's a chain specialization. You may have one Eclipse in your deck, and only if your hero is chain. This is off the chain, man. I'm sorry. Play Eclipse only if you have played 6 or more cards with Blood Debt this turn. If you have, you may play Eclipse from your banished zone. Create an Ursa the Soul Reaper token. So that's the way you get this bad boy into play. Very, very cool. And Ursa the Soul Reaper, they are destroyed when you have a token damage equal to their hit points. He has 6 hit points. Once per turn, attack. He has a 6 attack. So, yeah, wow. Once per turn action for nothing, you can attack with this guy until he's taken off the table. While Ursa is attacking a hero with 1 or more cards in their soul, the attack has go again. Ha! Funny stuff. Right, okay. So, are you going to be able to get this off? I've not played this game, obviously, and not a lot of people have played Monarch to that extent. So, are you going to be able to get this off regularly? Or does it matter? Do you know if you get it off once every 5 games, it's a game-winning play? But so cool. Congratulations, Lee. Shall I leave the others sealed? You're pretty much done. Okay, so let's put the iron legs there. We have a blue Seeping Shadow rare, and we have a blue Glisten rare as well with Galaxy Black token and Soul Shackle. Right, we've still got a load. Let's have a look, shall we? Still got loads. I feel like we've got half a pack. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Still got 8 packs left. And right, this box is on fire. So stick that there. That's the token. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get an Enigma Chimera, which Rudy couldn't seem to say for some reason. Okay. So, Illusionist, it's a common. It's lovely foiled. Can we catch that on the camera? Oh, maybe just a little bit. Very nice. Unheard Gauntlets, a red Dusk Path Pilgrimage, which is a rare, and a yellow Pulping, which is a rare, with Chain and Galaxy Black. Okay, next pack. Whoa, this is going to be a longer video than I thought it was going to be. Love this artwork as well. Seeds of Agony. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't think there's any of the artwork in this that I don't like, to be honest. We have a blue ghostly visit, which is the foiled, which is cool, which is the common. Right, I'm going to start over here now. Time Skippers, a blue Valiant Thrust, which is a rare. We have another majestic Tome of Torment, which is the Necronomicon from the Evil Dead. Tell me any different. You may play Tome of Torment from your banished zone. Draw a card, and it has a blood debt. Okay. Doesn't seem the most impactful, but I'm sure it has its uses. So, Bounding Demigon, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another Rifted Torment, blue Rifted Torment, which is again a common. We have Hooves of the Shadow Beast, a rare red Herald of Triumph, and a rare red Tremor of Arathiel. We'll go with Arathiel. And we have Big Prism and a Little Prism. So we were on 6 Majestics, 1 Legendary. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 of those Majestics are foiled. We have 1, 2, 3 rare foils, which is cool. This is another common, Unworldly Bellow Yellow. Ebb and Fold. Convulsions from the Bellows of Hell, which is a blue and a rare. And a yellow Valiant Thrust, which is also a rare. And we have Leviah and the Ravenous Metax. Okay, 4 to go. It's a never-ending box. It's going to be over half an hour now. These packs are never ending. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have another one of the crazy artworks. Dread Screamer in foil. This thing eating his head while he's shackled up to the wall or the ceiling or whatever. Really cool. A red Invigorating Light. A red Herald of Triumph. Another Metax and another Soul Shackle. 3 to go. We haven't seen a cold foil yet. I know I did miss the cold foil in one of my openings once, and we didn't have one in one of the boxes as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not Monarch, but previous sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have another rare holofoil red Pulping. Yeah, look at this, that just makes me giggle. Halo of Illumination. Rare blue Seek Horizon. And a blue Herald of Triumph with Sir Bolton and Mini Bolton on the token. 2 to go. Second to last pack magic. Boneyard Marauder. So that's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have a yellow across the line. Just got some pretty nice foiling on it. Still, it's a common. Ironhide legs. Rise above rare. And a plow through rare as well. Prism and the iris. Last pack. So does the legendary take the cold? Is that technically the cold foil from the pack? So you don't get the cold foil armor. One, two, three, four, five. We have a Herald of Tenacity yellow foiled. That's some. Yeah, that's very nice. And we get the Ironhide plate. Valiant thrust. We get another majestic. A red Exude Confidence. While Exude Confidence isn't defended by a card with equal or greater damage, the defending hero can't play or activate instants or defense reactions. This combat chain. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Instant. 3 resources. Exude Confidence gains +2. Activate this ability only while Exude Confidence is attacking. Okay, so you've got an instance on a card. Pretty sweet. And then Levia and another Meat Axe. Well, yeah, I don't know. Let's start with the Majestics, shall we? Exude Confidence red, Tome of Torment red, Soul Food yellow, Beacon of Victory yellow, Deep Rooted Evil yellow. We've got the Nourishing Emptiness red and Mark of the Beast yellow, and these are the holofoil or foiled Majestics. And we'll get them in a sleeve shortly. And the cream of the crop, it was always going to happen when I'm not opening my stuff. A legendary Shadow Instant Eclipse. Really cool. Congratulations, Lee. Kieran, if you're watching this, this probably lowers your chances of getting something really nice, as your box come from the same case. But you never know. It might have been a really cool case. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the content. Give it a thumbs up. We will have one more of these. Kieran's box will be coming up very, very soon. So subscribe to the channel and you will be the first people to hear when I post it up on YouTube. And once again, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.